Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nick's Toy Garage, and well, we have a change of scenery. Normally I would be in my room, on my carpet, unboxing a box. But this time I went to auction and I kind of went mad. Oh dear. So this all is not going to be one unboxing. Don't be scared, I'm going to cut this up in, I have no idea, 4, maybe 5 parts. But I'm going to going through every single one. Initially I was only interested in 1 or 2 of these boxes, but when the auction started, shut up chicken. So when the auction started, they just said it's all one big lot. So knowing me, never trust me at auction. So let's pick a box. Well, let's just start with this one right in front of me. Yeah, just let's start with this one. So I'm going to go down. Oof. Sit down and let's start with this unboxing. Starting with, we have a Fiat 500 from no name brand. A VW Beetle, and yes, I'm wearing gloves because some of these are really dusty and some of these are, well, moldy. Then we have, this is the Matchbox, a Ford Escort Cabriolet. Really dusty, but really nice model. Next we have a Mercedes, also Matchbox, a 500 I think, 500 SL. Nice, really good shape. A BMW 325i from Majorette. Love these Majorette cars. I think I need to pick up the pace a little bit. Then we have another Escort. Ooh, the nice color. We have a Ford Escort, the same. Is it the same? Oh, neat. Next, this is something. What is this? This is a... I cannot read that. I'm not even gonna try. It's made in Italy and it's a Ford, another Escort. I think this one was a, this is, how is it called? What auction is it? A repossession auction, I think it is. I think it's called. This is a Mercedes, no, where is it? Oh, there. Yeah, I'm blocking it. This is a Land Rover fire truck. This is a really nice one. This has been a seized auction thingy. So I picked this lot up for relatively cheap, I think. Then we have a Burago Escort RS. Really nice. Ooh, a Ford Capri. This is a Capri 2. From the Matchbox Super King series. Really dusty. I think this even deserves a restoration. Then we have another Ford Escort RS 2000. Really nice. I love this car. I really love this lot already. We have a dead spider. Go away. We have another Ford Escort RS 2000. Same one, a different color scheme. Another Ford Escort convertible. Then we have two of these. These are Matchbox Superfast Ford Transit vans. A really nice shape, another dead spider, another dead spider here. So that just tells how long these have been. Oh my words! This is a Majorette. This is really nice for a Majorette. This is a Mustang 65S 1 in 32 scale. The paint is bubbling on this one. That's really interesting. But this one definitely deserves to be restored. Ooh. This one is nice. Another Ford Escort from Burago. Is that how we pronounce it? I'm not sure. Then we have an Escort from Majorette. Also, down here, Nick. Then we have a squashed one. This is a BMW 325i convertible with a squashed. This is actually a really nice one. And it is a Matchbox, but I don't think you can get parts for this one. Then we have a Volvo 245 DL from no name brand, I think. Corgi, it's a Corgi. Nice. Then we have a Matchbox. This is a Corvette Grand Sport. Really nice model. Really love the detail on this one. Screams to be restored, but it's just in such a good shape. Oh, this one has a blower. This is a Hot Rocker Matchbox. I think this is complete. A little bit of a bent A-pillar, but this thing just needs to be restored. Imagine detailing this engine and getting this thing, well, to showroom condition. That's amazing. Next, don't drop it. We have another Ford Escort RS 2000, a black one. This one just looks mean, but this has been repainted black because you cannot see through the windshield. So they did a really good job on covering the entire car in black paint. Next we have a Matchbox Ford, what was it, Sierra, I think? It's a Sierra. This is the XR4. I think they are mainly Fords. They are all Fords at this point. Some Corvettes, some several, I think. Then we have a Ford Capri. I already did one of these. Link will be probably not anywhere because I always forget these. And then we have a Ford Focus from Burago. You can literally see how dusty these models are. It's incredible. By the way, almost everything in this collection is going to be for resale. I'm gonna keep a couple of them to restore, but most are going to be for sale. So if you see anything you might like, please leave in the comment section down below what you might like and what you would give for them. It's almost the first box is almost empty. This is a Ford Capri 1970s. Ooh, I really want to do this one. It needs new windshields, but for the rest it's in really nice shape. Then we have a Corgi Toys with wheels Ford Escort. Some lovely detail. Look at the wide body. That is something amazing. Then I think is the last one from this first box. Another Majorette Ford Capri like I've done in the past. Box number 2, and I'm really sitting, it's not comfortable sitting here on the ground. So for the next part I'm going to take a pillow. We have, well, I did one of these. We have a Ford Zodiac Mark IV with a missing bonnet and a missing front tire, broken windshield, so probably not going to get restored. We have a Ford Supervan. Really want to customize this one, put some nice rims on it, giving it a mean paint job. Next, another Matchbox Ford Sierra XR4. This is Majorette Ford Sierra. Then don't drop that one, don't really matter. This is a Ford LTD police car from a Matchbox. Next, another RS2000. Another, what is this? This is a Corgi Ford Wrecker. Really nice one. I think it's missing the back bit, probably. Next we have the Ford Thunderbird. This is a really nice one. I think I'm going to do a couple. Ford week, month 1. We got a Ford month with this thing. We have a Ford Cortina. Who wants to see this one restored? Raise your hands. I need a new windshield. I need to straighten out everything. But this one screams for restoration. The base is in lovely condition. Next, a Ford Escort from Burago. We have another Sierra. Another Escort from, it's a Hot Wheels, this one. First Hot Wheels, I think. These wheels don't really fit, but oh well. Then we have, oh, this one is nice. It's Matchbox Super Fast Ford Model A. Oh, it's missing the headlight, but I can probably fix that. I really want to restore this one, but I don't want to lose the nice vintage Pepsi Cola stickers. Next, a Ford Mondeo Ghia. I'm not sure, but I really want to restore this one. Another Ford Sierra from Majorette. Next, we have a Ford Transit from Matchbox. 1986. That's something nice. Nice details. Another Sierra. Another Sierra. This is going to get repeated. We have a Motorsport Ford Transit, also 1986. Next, we have an Escort from Matchbox. Below the big one again, Burago Escort RS. We have a couple of these. Next, we have a Sierra. Another LTD. We have another Sierra. I see a pattern. We have, ooh, this is a nice one. Burago Ford Sierra. Let's pull out this big one. We have a Ford, it's brandless. It's a Ford Escort. Escort. I'm sorry. Couple more left. Let's take out this one. Ooh, this is a Ford Cortina. Oh, we have a intact windshield. Only the roof is a little caved in, but nice. Next, another Sierra. Not really that interesting anymore after 60 million. We have a Siku. Nice. First Siku, Ford Escort. What is that? GL. Oh, missing the trunk. That is a shame, because this one would be lovely to restore. Another Ford Mondeo Ghia. We have a brandless Ford Escort or Sierra. What is it? Sierra. Then we have another Escort convertible. And not last but not least, that's the second to last Ford LTD. And last but not least, we have a Wildlife truck. Oh, not one more. We have a Ford Transit made in Holland. Is this the best box? Not really sure. Those are only 2 boxes. I'm going to cut part 1 right here. Please watch next week for, well, the rest of this madness. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hope to see you in part 2 and in future restorations. Bye.